Okay guys, hi, and in today's video I'm going to show you the MT4 app navigation for the trade page. So right now I have this IC Markets account signed in. So what I can show you is, if you go to the third one bottom here, the one that looks like an arrow, right, the third one, you tap on it and this is what you will see. So this is the trade page. If you have no current running position, this is what you will see: the balance, equity, and the free margin. Okay, we'll talk about the definitions later on. So if you are seeing these orders down here, so what are orders? Okay, these are a pound CAD sell limit. I have two orders of different price. So 0.01 is the lot size, add, and then 1.7210 is the price which I've set the sell limit. Okay, so this is the price that I want to sell, but on the right side, however, is the current price that is live. Okay, this is recorded on a Tuesday, so it's a weekday, and that's where markets are actually running. So I have two positions here, sell limit. These are not active yet. So if you look at the chart, you can do a shortcut, for example. So let's just tap on this, and this is what you have. SL is set at dash, TP is set at dash. So ID is like a ticket number. It's like your receipt, invoice number. Okay, the time is when I set the sell limit. It's like you ordered something. So as long as the price hasn't reached this, as long as the current price right now hasn't reached the order that I've set, so it won't trigger. So I'm not losing or I'm not winning. So there's nothing charged yet to me. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart, how it will look like. So that if you swipe to your left, right, you can see a tick. So if I click on the tick, it will prompt me to delete the order. But for this purpose, I'm going to show you. If you click on the pencil, right, you can edit. Right, you can cancel or edit the stop loss, the TP, and the price as well. So if you want to bring out the chart, you can also click on here or here, the last one here. Okay, this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is on the daily time frame. So the sell limit is here. If you can't see it, you can actually zoom in, right, or you go to a smaller time frame, H4. Yeah, this is the sell limit. So in order to place a sell limit, it must be above the active price. Okay, you can't place a sell limit below the active or live price. If you want to do so, it will be called a sell stop. Okay, well, we'll go further into other type of orders, and I will just stop here. Okay, thank you for watching.